Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing plugins, activating plugins, deactivating plugins, deleting plugins, as well as if you purchase a premium plugin where you are given the plugin zip file, how you are going to go about uploading and installing it on your WordPress website. I'm going to cover all that in this video. So here's the front end of the website we are working on. You can access it from localhost / your website folder name. So you can see it looks very simple, but as we go on, we are going to modify everything to something more beautifying. Okay, so move straight into your admin dashboard. You can do that from here by hovering on this, clicking on the dashboard. So the next thing is for you to go to plugins, add new. We want to install the plugin right now. So for the selection of the plugin, ensure your internet connection is turned on because these plugins are from the WordPress.org website and it needs some internet connection to connect with WordPress server to serve you the plugins files for installation. So the plugin we are going to install first is called Elementor. So type Elementor in your search bar. So Elementor is a page builder, and that is the plugin we are going to use to design every part of our website, our pages and everything. So if you want to know more about Elementor, click on more details to read more about it, to get more information about what it is, what it does and all of that. But in simple sentence, it's a page builder for designing your WordPress website. So click on install now. So now the plugin has been successfully installed and you can go ahead and activate it. So clicking on activate would activate the plugin, make it active on your website. Currently it is inactive, so it's easy to have to activate it. Okay, so Elementor is taking us through an onboarding process, so let's follow that through. So if you want to become a super contributor, you can tick that if you want to, and you can untick it. So let's click on skip for this one. Then it says every site with a theme, blah blah. You can read that if you want to. Skip that. We are using a different theme, not Hello Elementor. So it said give your site a name. Our name is already written there, so you don't have to write that again. Click on next. So it said have a logo added here. We are going to add a logo later on, not now. So skip. You say that's all and this and that. So we are skipping this as well. We are going to get to all of this later on. Okay, so right now it's trying to like open the editor, but we don't want to do that right now. So we are just going to go back to our dashboard right away. Okay, so we have successfully installed Elementor now. So we are going to install one more plugin before we proceed with other things we can do. So the plugin we want to install now is called Yoast SEO. So Yoast SEO is an SEO plugin that allows you to like automate your SEO processes, and it also helps you with the SEO, with the search engine optimization of your website. So install now. Okay, so it's successfully installed. So I'm going to, I want to activate it from here. So let's go to installed plugins to see the list of plugins we currently have installed on our website. Okay, so here is it, and you can see that we have three inactive plugins with this one active. So from this installed plugins section, you can activate your plugins. You understand? So you can click on activate right here. Okay, so I successfully activated the used SEO. We are not configuring it yet. So let's go back to plugins and let me show you how to deactivate an existing plugin as well as delete it. So let's deactivate Elementor for this example. So clicking on deactivate now, sometimes some plugins might kind of like ask you for a feedback. Just say, let's say it's a temporary deactivation. Although it's not all plugins you try to deactivate that to bring out this quick feedback pop-up. Okay, so now let's go on to like deleting a plugin. So before you can delete a plugin, you have to first deactivate it before the delete option would show up. So if you want to delete, just click on delete and it will delete. So clicking on delete, just type enter OK and the plugin will be deleted from your website. You also have bulk actions here. So if you want to perform, let's say you want to bulk activate a number of plugins, maybe you want to bulk activate this one, you want to bulk activate them, you can just click on bulk action here, click on activate, click on apply. If you want to bulk deactivate, click on deactivate, click on apply. Bulk update, I don't recommend doing bulk updates. And if you want to bulk delete, you can click on that too. So let's say you want to delete these plugins at once. So just click on that and click on apply. So it would automatically delete both of them without you having to enter it, without you having to click on delete twice. So you can see. Okay, so these plugins are deleted here. Apart from the Elementor, we don't need them, so that's why I'm deleting them. So the next thing I want to show you now is how you can install premium plugins you downloaded. I'll be using the Elementor file for this example. Okay, so for premium plugins or plugins which you have the zip file, click on upload plugin. Then you can choose the file or you can just open up the folder where it is and drop it there. So this is what I want to do now. So I'm going to drag and drop the Elementor file here and install it. So these are premium plugin, just as an example. Then you click on install now. So when you click on install now, it's going to upload the plugin and install it for you. Then you can activate it. So you can see it's proceeding. Right now it has been successfully installed and we can activate the plugin. So ignore this warning message, don't worry about it. Okay, so you can see it right now, it's right here. Okay, so that is how you install plugins, deactivate them, delete them, and install premium plugins or plugins which you have their zip file. So that's the end of the video. In the next video, I'm going to be explaining how you can install themes and do the same processes as what we did for plugins. So watch out for that video.